Hi, my name's Tom. Today we're going to be going over some very basic Photoshop stuff. So let's start. Go to File, New. This creates a new composition. You can set the name to whatever you like. Here's an example. Basic settings. Clipboard is like copy a document or a photo from online. That's the size of your clipboard. And then there's default Photoshop size. It's like millimeters. Photo, very high res. You're not going to see that in a lot of other ones. Most of them are like 72, like web sizes. This is one I like to work with because I know what the sizes are. You can always change the resolution. Mobile and devices, a lot smaller size, same resolution as web. Film and video, all your film options from 4K to LCD, everything in between. So there we go. Red, pretty high resolution size. So it's the resolution higher than default, which I always do. It just comes out cleaner. It just looks better to me. That's a personal thing. So we'll start opening some pictures. First things first is the place. Grab a picture of a chandelier and the place is in the document. Now you can move it like this, but I recommend you enter. It's easy. You can still move it around. Just how it's going to open and finish. Delete that layer for now. Next is the open command. It opens it in a new composition. All you have to do is unlock that layer and name it whatever you want. There's a few settings here. There's not too much. The color of your layer, the mode. We'll get into it. There's a lot of modes, so you don't have to worry about that for now. And then the opacity, which we're gonna leave it on to. So now that's a layer. We're going to drag this with the Move tool, which is the first one in the palette, to our example copy. Now this is way too big for now, but we'll go over resizing during a later tutorial at some point, probably the next one. Delete that layer for now. Now, pretty much it for file. There's all the other stuff, like print and stuff like that, save. We'll get into the more complicated stuff in later tutorials, but for the edit menu, got all the stuff, cut, copy, paste, and then some more complicated stuff that we're not going to worry about. But the main thing I want to focus on is undo, step forward, and step back. Now, the undo literally just, it becomes a redo after you undo it once, so you can go back and forth between the last two things, the last thing you've done. Undo pretty much. Step backward is kind of like a browser history. It takes you backwards until the very beginning of your composition. Keep going. So step all the way forward, just like the forward button in the browser takes you all the way back to where you are. Now we're going to get into some basic tools. Start off with the paintbrush. Right. Up here is your brush settings. You can change the size and the hardness. We'll leave it 100% just to show what that's like first. Your color for your brushes down there. And we'll set the hardness to 0. Show you what that looks like. But that's pretty much your brush. We'll go over changing colors and all that stuff later. We're just going to absolute basics down right now. So we step backward, get rid of all these brush marks. text tool, when you start, will create a new layer. But it will rename itself, so you don't have to worry about renaming the text layers, because when you type Control Enter, you select the text, and then move tool to move it, which is the top tool to the palette. But yeah, Control Enter for typing. It lets you like deselect from the text. So drag that around a little bit. I wrote in white this time. We'll go over how to fix that later. But there's the basics for the text tool. Next is gradients. Now gradients, they're all the different ones that are up there. We'll go over each one individually. This is just like the line gradient, nice basic gradient. The little line there will set your angle and the length of your gradient. You don't need to step back if you're going to like just change your gradient, but if you keep changing it, it's going to need to step back for each gradient to be able to back it. So instead of doing that, we're just going to delete this layer. We'll go back to that other comp with just the photo open and move it back in. Again, still using the move tool to move everything. Now we're going to go over zoom. Scrubby zoom, if you have a very nice operating system, allows you to move side to side or diagonally, more appropriate, and zoom in and zoom out. If you don't have a very nice graphics card though, you might get stuck with this zoom, which when you open you'll see like the marching ants. For this I don't recommend using the marching ant style. I recommend just clicking on it, because that zooms you in steps, and it's just, I like it better personally, rather than the marching ant style. If you hold Alt and click, it'll just bring you back out. It's much easier selecting what you want to zoom in on. Let's go over some basic shapes. The shape tool. Every shape's going to create a new layer. So as you go, it's just going to keep adding up layers. Even lines, they take their own layer. We'll go over how to incorporate them better into the composition probably during a later tutorial. For the custom shapes or fancy shapes, pretty much select whatever you want, and you can drag and drop the dimensions. If you hold shift, it keeps it like the way it was designed to look. All the proportions stay the same as you drag out. So we're just going to shift to select all of those, which is just holding shift up from the top one selected, clicking the bottom shape, and hit delete. Delete that layer. The delete key deletes layers, by the way. That's the shortcut for delete. And that's all for this basic tutorial. Tom Howard from 410 Productions, signing out.